it's an event. It's not just a car show. It's a 3-day event. I don't know any other place that you could drag a race on an airport runway. Only in Wales.
I'm looking forward to looking at all the old cars. It's just interesting to me.
It's just fun. It's just one big weekend of fun.
Oh, the street dance is so fun. Everyone just kind of lets go and you get to meet a lot of new people and they have fun and everyone's so friendly.
The poker run is my favorite. Ending up at Angel Lake is really cool.
Well, it's just one of the better car shows that we do. It's the city treats you so good.
So far, we've had a ball. It's just the first day.
Burnout contest is probably one of my favorite things to do.
It's cool to come to a little town that you have no idea exists until you get here.